This toilet has a special flushing system that can fully wash the bowl surface and prevent waste from sticking. It has a glaze that is ultra smooth ceramic coating that minimizes waste from the surface and makes the cleaning a lot easier. It meets the ADA height requirement, meaning someone like me who is on the taller end won't have to squat so low to sit down. It has a rimless design that eliminates places where the waste can build up and makes it easier to clean. It has a large water spot that reduces places where the waste can cling onto the bowl and keeps odor down. At least in my case, I know for sure that I have needed to clean my toilet less often because of these advanced features. It also has a wide 3-inch flush valve and a siphon jet bowl that gets the job done a lot faster with a lot less water. So it saves me a little bit per year in water usage. And overall, in a nice little package that is a little bit different from normal toilets on the areas that matter, but not too different that you'll feel strange from having a new toilet.
Hey, all the things mama here, reviewing something that is weird, but hey, we use this every single day. This is the Toto dual flush toilet here with a tornado flush. I'm into it. It's been working out really well for us. I really do appreciate that it has a dual flush. So you can see here, you can either do a light flush or a more intense. So it's light, you push back. And this actually took a little bit of getting used to because our other toilet used to, you push down or you push up. So this is backward and forward. So something to note there, but I like that they have the little cheat sheet there to remind you what to do. And it's got the soft close, so no slamming of the lid, which is really appreciated. It's got a nice, small profile. I'm 5'8", and I feel like the height on this is really comfortable for a slightly taller person. And I also have an almost 5-year-old, and she can get up there very easily, no problem. So I like that. And I don't know, I also appreciate that it doesn't use a ton of water, and it has this tornado flush, so it actually, gets everything. I'll do a little flush for you. So you can see it kind of goes in this tornado to sort of wash everything, any remnants away without using a ton of water. So thumbs up on the Toto. Yep, and a slow close there as well. So no slamming. Thumbs up here for the toilet.